सलामत भाई, राइट में क्या है?
राइट में क्या है वही तो बोल रहा हूँ।
चलेगा ये, चलेगा।
Thank you. Thank you.
हम लोग क्या दिस कैमरा हम यहाँ पे वाइड करेंगे ना, वाइड करेंगे तो हम यहाँ पे कर सके रात के इवेंट में कौन था? Your right down दिन के इवेंट में या डाउन में थे नहीं। हाँ तो एक रात के इवेंट में याद रखेंगे इसके और ज़्यादा काम होता है। Which is the center? This time. You're right here. यही सही है यार, बाइक दिखने के लिए अंदर से क्लियर मंगवा लो।
Good evening, Abhinav.
Good evening, sir.
How are you feeling today?
Really excited, feeling really nice.
Okay, my question to you is, what is that one thing which makes you smile?
Good evening, everyone. Hope you are having an amazing evening. So the question, what makes me smile? One thing. So that would be definitely to bring a smile to my parents' face, and that means the world to me.
How are you? I'm good, Lisa. How's the Josh?
Hi.
Nervous?
Yeah,
Yes?
a little bit.
Your question to you this evening is, who is someone you admire and why?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Someone which I admire the most, actually, there are a lot of people which I admire, but my parents are actually the utmost ones which I actually admire because they are everything to me, and they've always been kind, and they've always supported me on this journey, and they've always helped me achieve what I actually wanted in my life. So, they are the ones which I actually admire the most in this life. Thank you.
Good evening, how are you? Alright, now, Hindi or English? So, मेरा question थोड़ा different है because I'm a very, very big pet lover. Okay. If you could become
एक्चुअली ना वो खूबसूरत लड़कियों को देख के सीटी बजाने का एक रिचुअल होता है ना, वो माइक खुद ही बजा रहे हैं। हाँ, और ओके, सो आई एम गिविंग माय माइक टू यू।
I want if your life was a movie, right, what name will you give? So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir, for the question. So, I feel my journey would be the movie title Bhag Milka Bhag. As he grinds, he goes for his ambition, he works hard. In your life, to achieve your dream, you have to work hard. And that's what I have to say. Thank you so much. That's the answer I was looking for. Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I feel good.
Okay, question in English or Hindi?
Hindi.
Hindi, okay. So, if you have 3 wishes, what will you ask for? यानी कि अगर आपको 3 मनोकामनाएं पूरा करने का चांस मिले, कुछ विश मांगने के लिए मिले, वरदान जो भी कहते हैं हिंदी में, तो 3 ऐसी क्या चीज मांगोगे?
Once again, very good evening to all. Thank you for this question. मुझे अगर 3 विशेष मांगने का कोई चांस करता है तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने पेरेंट्स की लंबी उम्र मांगना चाहूँगा. दूसरा, मैं अपने करियर के लिए थोड़ा एम्बिशियस होना चाहता हूँ. So I want to success. The second one is 2 ही विश है मेरी, of course. Thank you.
बस 2 ही विश?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Recurring here to be a part of not only training the talent but also showcasing. It's fun. It's always very there are beautiful talents from all across India, and we're very happy to make sure that we bring them and then internationally. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a very unique kind of DJ Mr. India. Tell us about the whole journey, how it started.
But Rubaru, I'm associated with Rubaru from last 5 to 6 years. I think it started by Pankaj Kharbanda and Manav, and I wish them all the best. बहुत ही भिन्न स्टेट से यहाँ पे लड़के आते हैं और अपना यहाँ पे आपको अपना टैलेंट दिखाते हैं और हमारी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इंटरनेशनल कॉन्टेस्ट में. बहुत ही अच्छा ये इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है मिस्टर इंडिया, बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टैलेंट इन आवर कंट्री, फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट, फ्रॉम साउथ टू जम्मू कश्मीर टू द राजस्थान. हर प्रांत के यहाँ पे लड़के आए हैं और आज मैं चाहूँगा बेस्ट विनर्स जीते. मैं उन सबको ऑल द बेस्ट कहना चाहूँगा एंड आई विश मे द बेस्ट विनर विन टुनाइट. Well, I am the jury. I'm judging. Yes, I'm judging the show today, and it's a very tough job for all of us because everybody is winner in their own way. And I think जैसे कहते हैं ना कि may the best winner win. तो मैं आशा करता हूँ बेस्ट जो लड़का होगा वो हमारी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा इंटरनेशनल कॉन्टेस्ट में.
So as you said, कि बहुत responsibility वाला काम है
जी.
इंडिया को represent करना. तो क्या qualities आप देख रहे हैं अपने winner में?
Well, confidence enough, and of course you have to be very real, be yourself, and be confident. And you should know the culture of our country. When you represent your flag into the international front, you should know that it's a huge responsibility on your head. So you have to make us proud. Thank you, Jash.
Are you so excited? Yeah, thank you so much.
So are you gonna sing some Hindi songs or what?
Yeah, today Hindi song also, my song also.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow, we are excited.
yeah.
Are you?
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. See you soon.
See you.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Thank you so much. 우와, 되게 많다.
This is my 5th year with Pankaj. My name is Karun Raman, and I'm very happy to be in Bombay after so many years. Vanda Press Kanarkum Marakam Rubaru Nandri. Thanks for supporting Rubaru and the entire organization. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is my 5th year with Rubaru. I do a lot of international pageants all over the world. I'm a show director and a fashion choreographer. I represent the entire LGBTQ trans community for South of India, and I'm very proud to say that I'm one of the very few people from South who's openly supporting my community and the trans community. We call it Tirunangai in Tamil and Koti in, I don't know whatever language you call it in. So yeah, it's very hot outside. And I'm the fashion choreographer and the show director. So I directed the entire show today. And I've been doing it for 5 years for Rubaru and for a lot of other organizations all over the world. So it's nice for a South Indian boy to be here in Bombay and do this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ग्रूमिंग तो मैंने नहीं की है इनकी ग्रूमिंग तो नहीं की है इनकी बट येस बीइंग अ जूरी इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग लाइक दिस बिकॉज पैजेंट्स मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. मैं खुद कितने सारे पैजेंट्स का हिस्सा रह चुकी हूँ, जीत चुकी हूँ. सो आई नो द ज़ील, आई नो व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ. तो यू नो टू जज सच एन इवेंट वुड बी अ नाइस थिंग टू डू. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. सी क्राइटेरिया मोस्टली जो मैं देखती हूँ, मेल हो या फीमेल हो डजंट मैटर, बट जो भी क्राइटेरिया मैं देखती हूँ वो है कॉन्फिडेंस. दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग आई नोटिस अबाउट अ पर्सन, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट दैट पर्सन इज़. एंड आई थिंक उसके बेस पे मेरे ज़्यादा यू नो पॉइंट्स उस पर होंगे. इफ़ दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ दे कैन विन द शो. ये अलग है क्योंकि इंडिया में होता ही नहीं है मेल पैजेंट एंड अब नहीं होता है, पहले काफ़ी होते थे. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव फॉर ऑल द मेन आउट देयर कि उनको यहाँ पे आके अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने का मौका मिलेगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट डील फॉर अस एंड ऑल्सो टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट. या थैंक यू. थैंक यू. हाँ.
So basically I'm Amit and I'm the official photographer for Rubaru Mr. India 2025. और जो भी contestants के pictures click किए गए हैं अलग rounds में, अलग costumes में, वो मैंने खींचे हैं. और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये करके. मेरा 6th year है Rubaru के साथ और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इस बार ये इतने बड़े स्केल पे हो रहा है और फाइनली मेल पैजेंट्री को एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. तो आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट. थैंक यू.
Okay. Hi, my name is Lieutenant Dr. Rita Gangwani and I am the grooming partner for Rubaru Mr. India 2025. I have been with Rubaru for the last 10 years and a lot of Mr. Indias have passed through my hand. I have trained these boys in various aspects of personality transformation and I look forward to see who wins. And whoever wins, I will be the one preparing them for the international competition. So, let's see who makes it today. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. India, one of the most prestigious events of our country. I'm the jury here today and I feel absolutely honored to be a part of this. Pankaj ji and Manav have worked really hard to bring it to this level. और यहाँ जो selection होगा जिस भी लड़के का, he's going to represent our country internationally. Someone who is dynamic, somebody who has aura, अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाने का, देश का नाम ले जाने का, and that's what we are looking for. Thank you. Of course, someone who has great fashion sense, who understands international global market at the same time, who's very, very Indian at heart, because finally when we have to represent our country, it has to be somebody who is deeply Indian rooted. And of course, great looks and body is one of the prerequisites for this pageant, but I think most important is अपने देश के संस्कृति के बारे में, सभ्यता के बारे में जानना और उसको आगे बढ़ाना. That is what is important. Thank you. Well, I have a musical coming end of this month on 28th of June. It is called Chitrangada and it is with the Rani Mukherjee Enterprise and we are looking forward. Rabindranath Tagore की कहानी है और बहुत सुंदर गाना है. सारे 1.5 घंटे का डांस ड्रामा है. हमारे देश के मोस्ट फेमस पोएट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की ये एक कविता है, एक काव्य है and I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you.
Well, obviously I'm very proud and very grateful to be a part of this event. पंकज सर और पूरा जो मिस्टर इंडिया का टीम है बहुत मेहनत लगाए थे ये पूरा सेटअप करने के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. वेरी हैप्पी टू सी हाउ फार मिस्टर इंडिया हैज़ कम एंड द इम्पैक्ट दैट दे आर मेकिंग इन द मेल पैजेंट इंडस्ट्री इन इंडिया इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. और बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आई होप दैट दे गो फॉरवर्ड अ लॉट इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू ईयर्स टू कम to inspire more male models to come and showcase themselves using this platform. And I wish all the best to Pankaj sir, the Rubaru Mr. India team and everyone who's part of this organization. Very humble, very grateful to be here. Thank you all. Well, I think essentially being truthful and honest to yourself is a very important quality if you're getting into pageantry. You know, a lot of us tend to create a facade and put up a fake front, but you know, you can always see through that, obviously. And then we have perseverance, you know, hard-working mentality to, you know, get through and push through any obstacles that you have in your pageant journey. Very important. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as you know, I'm Gurpreet Kaur Chadha. I'm an actor, producer and a politician, and today I am here at Rubaru Mr. India 2025 Championship. I'm super excited because everybody at backstage, they are just making a lot of noise and super thrilled, and let's see क्या होता है. मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी अपनी तरफ से पूरी टीम को, द होल क्रू ऑफ रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया एंड द पीपल आर बिहाइंड इट. आई जस्ट मेट माई वेरी डियर फ्रेंड रीटा जी. रीटा जी इज़ अ वेरी बिग कोच इन इंडिया, and also Mr. Pankaj, Mr. Manav, everybody who is associated with this pageant. And let's see क्या होता है. पीछे तो बहुत जोरों शोरों से धूम मची हुई है, and I'm super excited to see the winner and meet the winner. And I personally know the previous winner, so I am sure that they're gonna rock. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Nidhi Muneem, and I'm the official swimwear designer and partner for Rubaru Mr. India, and I'm really excited to be at the finale and to watch the amazing contestants and to support them, and I wish them all the best. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Nidhi Muneem, and I'm here as the official swimwear partner for Rubaru Mr. India, and I'm really excited to be here at this glamorous evening.
इट्स ऑल हार्ड वर्क, और मुझे लगता है टीम हार्ड वर्क है मेरे अलावा, बिकॉज अगर टीम हार्ड वर्क नहीं होता तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता. सो इट्स ऑल टीम वर्क, एंड आई फील हैप्पी कि मेंस को एक पेजेंट मिल रहा है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, एंड दे गो एंड रिप्रेजेंट कंट्री. सो इट्स मोस्ट प्राउडेबल मोमेंट आई वुड से. जनवरी में ऑडिशन चालू हुए थे. 20,000 एप्लीकेशंस आए थे, जिनमें से 30 टॉप सिलेक्ट हुए थे. फिर उनमें से 26 गोवा गए थे. गोवा में उनकी चार दिन का ट्रेनिंग एक्टिविटीज़ हुआ था. उसमें से मुंबई टॉप 16 आए. ये प्रोसीजर था. फिर उसमें भी ट्रेनिंग होके आज टॉप 5 विनर्स अनाउंस होंगे. पारुल, मेंटालिटी चेंज करने में टाइम लगता है. सबको इजी सक्सेस चाहिए, तो डेफिनेटली इसमें मेहनत हमारी भी बहुत लगती है. उनको ग्रूम करना पड़ता है, उनको बताना पड़ता है प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए. सो डेफिनेटली इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स. This year we are launching a web series for Rubaru Mr. India, 8 episodes, and Divya Agarwal is the host of the whole web series. तो जल्द ही आपको उसके बारे में डिटेल्स आ जाएंगी. सो डेफिनेटली we have been tied up with 55 countries and biggest in the world, maximum international title, maximum winners and maximum people who are representing India. आज भी इनफैक्ट फिलीपींस में एक रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. So I feel proud that men are making big noise on international platform. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I always look for the inside beauty, so talent for me is the key of today's selection, and of course chivalry and well dressing goes hand in hand. You know, everyone is into wellness. अगर जो नहीं भी है उनको भी मैं बोलूँगी wellness पे आओ. So I am into wellness. I'm a wellness entrepreneur, and I create health supplements, which is the need of the hour, because nutrition पूरा रखना है, and nutrition से ही आपको proper health and wealth मिलेगी. Thank you. Okay, so a lot of new products are coming up. A lot of exciting products are coming up. Vegan protein, vegetarian protein is a new launch. Collagen is one of them. Flavored collagen is something which is very exciting and people are loving it. So yeah, we're gonna work continuously in formulations and bring out the best for everyone out there.
It's like 21st year of Ruberoo Mr. India, and we all are like been working together from last plenty of ages, like years and all. So this time we have come with something new, ventures and everything, which थोड़े टाइम में आप लोगों को अमित खन्ना और बाकी लोगों से पता चलेगा. और बस आप लोगों की वजह से हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे और आगे भी आप लोगों की वजह से आगे भी जाएंगे और हमारे सारे और एसोसिएट्स मेंबर्स की वजह से हम बहुत अच्छा कर पाए. उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स ऑल टू यू अमित खन्ना.
I think that we've got a spectacular group of 16 contestants who made it to the top 16, and each of them have put in a lot of hard work, and it's showing they've worked well. The entire team of Ruberoo Mr. India has groomed them, and they have brought them to a level of confidence, of charisma, of putting themselves up there in front of everyone, and I think each of them have put their best foot forward today, and I'm so proud of each of them.
It's again surprise for everyone. So I think for that you need to wait for a few more minutes. So let's see. The best one will win, I'm sure about it.
My favorite is Pankaj because he is the person who's put in the maximum amount of work. And as far as the guys go, I think each of them have worked hard. So yeah, the best guy is going to definitely win. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
I'm very excited. देखना है कि मेरे मतलब उसका इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट हो रहा है लड़कों के लिए हो रहा है very interesting. What is wrong मेरे बहुत फेवरेट है और मुझे देखना उनकी तरह हो सकता है आगे चलकर बहुत सुपर मॉडल कौन ऐसा मिस्टर इंडिया बन सकता है. सो मैं एक्साइटेड
Yeah, so tell us about the event. Mr. India 2025 चैंपियंस इवेंट में आप शरीक हुए, क्या कहना चाहते हैं? मैं पहले कहना चाहूँगा ऑल द बेस्ट. और ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट होता है ये ईजी नहीं होता सबके लिए, बिकॉज आपको अपना बेस्ट दिखाना होता है. हर एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ आप कम्पीट करते हो. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. हमारे पास भी चला और मीडिया को थैंक यू कि आप सब आए. आप प्यार होने वाला है. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर में तो लास्ट टाइम अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था, पर इस साल मैंने कहा मिस नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बट डेफिनेटली कहते हैं श्री जगन्नाथ जी का जब आशीर्वाद हो सकता है तो सब होगा. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, more than me, my parents, Pankaj sir, Manav sir, and my fellow contestants, everybody who supported me and who believed in me, they all are more proud than me. And this is a really...
You can see it out from last 2 months. He's like working very hard, and today the result you can see it out. Say.
This is a really special moment for me. From that side to this side, the journey has been really tough, but it has been really exciting and really fun.
and thank you for all the love and support that everybody who has believed in me, everybody who has supported me, everybody who cared for me, and this is for all the people who have helped me in my journey. I still can't thank each one of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How y'all doing? Super excited to announce that I'm finally a winner of Mr. India, and been working hard for this for past 5 months now, and really excited to represent India on Manhunt International, where once our legends like John Abraham, Dino Moria once went. So I'm super excited and proud to represent our country. Thank you so much for coming here.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rakesh Bhosekar and I am Mr. India Rubaru 2025 Mr. Global, and I'll be representing India coming soon. And I would like to thank Pankaj Kharbanda sir, Manav Rankha, Vishal Thawani and Parimal Mehta, Amit Khanna and many others. Thank you for this opportunity. I love you all and I love my India. Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Should I go now? Thank you.
Hi. First of all, congratulations to everyone, because this pageant, when you do it, so jeetna harna first second it's okay, but you guys reached here. That is the biggest thing, and I hope, I pray all the best for your future and keep looking hot. Thank you.
Thank you.
हाँ? मैं भी विनर हूँ ना, हाँ तो पता, इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ कि जो स्टेज पे हालत होती है मुझे मालूम है क्या होती है. You know, it's not easy. So you reached here. That's the biggest thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rubaru 21st, Parimal, Amit and everyone on the team, all the boys, all dapper looking men over here, and congratulations for such a great feat. It's been a wonderful it's been a wonderful experience to be here, because I come from the background of fashion, and then whenever I come for a fashion show, I know all the adrenaline that is there, all the anxiety that is there, and well, the world is the oyster now. Congratulations, God bless you all. Congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please. Well, पहले तो मैं पंकज और अमित को all the very best कहना चाहूँगा, and congratulations for being one of the most sought after male pageant, and congratulations to all the winners, जो winners हैं. And I think everybody was a winner in their own right. जितना भी मैंने देखा है, I've come a little late, but जितना भी मैंने देखा है, I think all the guys were super amazing. And चूँकि मैं casting में भी हूँ, मैं casting भी करता हूँ, तो I urge all the winners and all the contestants to come and contact Palaj Jalta. मैं उन लोगों को कहीं न कहीं hopefully casting करूँगा. So all the best to all you winners and keep trying.
लेंगे फोटो टाइप बोलो क्या फोटो